I, Professor Venkatramaya, Head Department of Mechanical Engineering, Coordinator for this online FDP program. Welcome to the respected Chief Guest, Professor S. Narayan Reddy Garu, Principal of SVCE Host Institution, and Guest of Honor, Professor R.V.S. Satyanarayana Garu, Vice Principal of SVCE Host Institution. Distinguished speakers, participants, and faculty members of the department. It's a moment of great privilege and honor for me to welcome all of you today for this Atal Online FDP on robotics will be organized by our Department of Mechanical Engineering. It is our tradition to start any program with prayer song. Prayer song by our BTech student Dharmista. Please, Dharmista.
Sir, am I audible?
Okay, Dharmista.
Can I start, sir?
Yes, do it.
Shakti Ganapatim Bhajeham Shakti Ganapatim Bhajeham Sarvasau Bhagyapradam Shakti Ganapatim Bhajeham Sarvasau Bhagyapradam Shakti Ganapatim Bhajeham Sarvasau Bhagyapradam Shakti Ganapatim Bhajeham Rakti Bhakti Bhava Sahita Rakti Bhakti Bhava Sahita Nijagana Kalakaram Rasalalita Trishati Nama Kirtana Anugraha Param Sasani Pani Pava Gamari Sani Sari Gama Pama Gama Pani Sasani Pani Sari Sari Gamari Sani Pamari Sagama Pani Shakti Ganapatim Bhajeham Sarva Saubhagya Pradam Shakti Ganapatim Bhajeham Bhanukoti Samkasham Papaharam Paramesham Danavakula Haranachanam Sakala Vigna Nivaranam Manitamushikavaham Vishwamohana Deham Dinapala Hari Keshaduvya Sundara Kumaram Sasani Pani Pamagamari Sani Sari Gama Pamagama Pani Sasani Pani Sari Sari Gamari Sani Pamari Sagama Pani Shakti Ganapatim Bhajeham Sarva Saubhagya Pradam Shakti Ganapatim Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dharmista, for your prayer song.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. As head of the department, I would brief on the Department of Mechanical Engineering. The Department of Mechanical Engineering was established in the year 1959. This department is offering one BTech UG program and two postgraduate programs, Industrial Engineering and Production Engineering. Several research scholars are pursuing PhDs in the areas robotics, welding, vibration, tribology, metal cutting, composite materials, solar energy, lean manufacturing, computer-aided process planning, supply chains, quality control, etc. Since inception, the Department of Mechanical Engineering performs excel in academics and research. Coming to our FDP, this FDP on robotics is planned to provide an exposure to the fundamentals and applications of robotics. Participants will learn kinematics and dynamics of industrial manipulators, kinematics of mobile robot, trajectory planning, path planning and control, and how to embed intelligence in robot tasks. Virtual session on integration of hardware and software is also included for real-world applications in this FDP. This course will be useful for the Faculty of Engineering, PhD scholars, PG students, and industry persons who are interested to learn robotics. I am thankful to Atal Academy for encouraging me to organize this FDP by providing financial support in view of development of quality education in the country by initiating various schemes launched by the Government of India, Ministry of Human Resource Development. In this FDP, total of 14 sessions. Out of 14 sessions, 13 are technical sessions and one is on yoga and stress management to promote Fit India movement across the country. The expert speakers will deliver on different topics of robotics. The speakers are Dr. Somasekhar S. Hiramath, Professor of IIT Madras, Dr. I.A. Palani, IIT Indore, Dr. Vijay Kumar Dalla, NIT Jamshedpur, Dr. Sudhakar Rao, NITTR Chandigarh, Ms. Ajay Godara, Innovate Skill, CEO Chandigarh, Vivek Bansal, Grow with Vivek, founder, Satish Babu, Dr. Satish Babu, Gayatri Vidya Parishad Engineering College, Visakhapatnam. All are eminent speakers. They will share their expertise and knowledge with you. I am sure that all participants will feel enriched with the knowledge after completion of FDP. I welcome you once again to the FDP and hope that you will all have a great time ahead. Thank you all. Now I request our guest of honor, beloved Vice Principal of SPCE, Dr. R.V.S. Satyanarayana Garu, to share with the participants.
Subhodaya, very good morning to all of you. This is a great day in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. The Mechanical Engineering Department is a well-known department in SPCE College of Engineering ever since the inception of this college in 1959. We are privileged that this department and the college were started in 1959 with the golden hands of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And ever since that, the college has contributed a lot in the field of technology and engineering. And the teachers and the students get the role of honor for this appreciation from across the globe. Our students are spread all over the world and contributing a lot in the fields of R&D and as entrepreneurs also. To name a few at this juncture, the CMD of Bharat Electronics Limited is our student. The Secretary of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India is our student. The former Chairman of Gas Authority of India Limited, Professor C.R. Prasad, is our student and he belongs to Mechanical Engineering Department Like that, the list goes a long way. And the contributions are very high in the field of engineering and technology. Our students are excelling in national level exams like GATE and IAS, and also some of them are getting top ranks in civil services also. So this is a prestigious college, and the department is also having lot of reputation. Now for this FDP, they have chosen the subject robotics, which is the need of the hour, because it is influencing all fields of engineering, not only mechanical engineering. It attracts the specializations like electrical, ECE, computer science, and other branches also. It is useful to all people. And I congratulate the department and the coordinator and the head of the department, Professor Venkatramaya, and all faculty for choosing this topic, which is useful for many people across the branches. And I wish that this should set an example, clearly standing by the vision of Atal Academy and all the expert lectures and demonstrations. There is a virtual session also, that is what head is speaking. The participants should utilize this in the fullest way. The real success of the program comes when all the participants take this to their fields, to their colleges, and utilize the knowledge they gained through this faculty development program. I wish that, I sincerely hope and wish that the distinguished speakers will interact and share their expertise to the participants, and the participants derive this benefit and spread it to the students across various colleges. So I once again wish that this program should be a success in all respects. I congratulate the team of organizers for this. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your valuable words about our department and college with the participants. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now I request our beloved principal of SVCE, chief guest, Dr. S. Narayan Reddy Garu, to share with the participants.
Good morning to all the participants and organizers and head of the department, Professor Venkatramaya Garu. On behalf of SV University College of Engineering, I welcome all the participants to this workshop. So the SV University College of Engineering, actually it was started in 1959 at the foothills of Lord Venkateswara by the first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Garu. So it has grown from that point to at present over the 62 years. It has contributed to a lot to the region of backward region of Rayalaseema region, and several people, over the years, several decades, so many people have graduated both in BTech, MTech, and of course in now in PhD also. That way, in academics, so this College of Engineering has contributed a lot to the development of this particular region, not only this region, and to entire state and to a country also. In fact, now the Department of Mechanical Engineering, it was right from the beginning it is there, and it is the pillar, one of the big pillar of the SV University College of Engineering, and it is known, of course, over the years, that is SV University College of Engineering Mechanical Department throughout the country, they used to get the first rank in GATE. So particularly over the years of they used to write in production, it's known for the mechanical and production engineering. So there is a large number of alumni who graduated and occupied key positions in different areas, not only in India and abroad also. So that was the position. Now, of course, so it has lagging, in fact, due to the number of faculty. That is I don't say it's the lagging. The students, the faculty has come down, and certainly I hope, of course, in future also, the faculty strength will go up, and it will, of course, catch the original status. In present situation, Professor Venkatramaya Garu has taken up this big, of course, activity after COVID. That after COVID, in fact, he had planned it in offline as well as online, but due to COVID, it has finally, of course, it has materialized only in online thing. Certainly, this workshop, which is, of course, more of interdisciplinary, consisting of mechanical and electrical and electronics, and more of then computer science, will catch all the attention of all the faculty, and all the faculty in different departments, they will participate and gain knowledge using this workshop. So certainly at the end of this one, the experts and the participants with the interaction will gain more academic active interaction, and of course certainly this will do a good for the good and boon for the SV University College of Engineering, so that more number of faculty can conduct online programs after COVID. With this, of course, I wish the organizers that the workshop will become a big success, and the participants will gain more knowledge. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Professor Venkatramaya Garu, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Sir, thank you very much, sir, for your valuable message on our department. Thank you for your support, sir, in all aspects for conducting of this program. Then, vote of thanks for the inaugural session. I sincerely thank our principal, vice principal, expert speakers of this program, and participants for accepting our invitation and for their gracious presence in the inaugural of FDP. Thank you all. Now the first session will be started by our beloved professor, Dr. Somasekhar S. Hiramat, IIT Madras. Let me introduce the professor. New one. Sir, 1 minute, sir. Yes. Sir obtained PhD in 2004 from Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, and visiting professor at the different universities like France and Poland. And he is also worked as director for Tamil Nadu Small Industries Corporation Limited and occupied different positions, currently serving as treasurer of Fluid Power Society of India. He has guided new profile. Sir, 1 minute, sir. Read this. Sir, new profile.
No need, sir. Okay, we'll start now. No need to worry. Okay, all people I know very well. Okay. Hello, I am audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will start. No problem. You know, everyone knows me.
Guided 14 doctoral students, so somewhat it is old. He has guided many doctoral students and MS students and master students. As of now, he has 2 patents, and 56 reputed journals, 130 international conference papers, 3 books, 3 monographs, 4 book chapters in his credit. The awards and recognitions. Distinguished Faculty Award in Mechanical Engineering 2016 from Venus International Foundation, Chennai. Professor M.S. Shanmugam Foundation Empowerment Prize for Best PhD Thesis in Mechanical Engineering, IIT Madras. Then Lucas TVS Award for guiding Best MTech Thesis in Mechanical Engineering. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, then I request our professor to speak a few words on FDP before start of the session.
Yeah.
Sir, I request Dr. Somasekhar S. Hiramath. Sir, kindly speak few words on FDP before start of the session, sir.
Okay. I am audible to all.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, I'm extending my sincere thanks to organizer for inviting me for the talk. Okay. I'm very happy to see Dr. Hema is there, Dr. Rajesh is there. I visited your university offline also to deliver some talks on micro machining. I'm so happy. Okay. Today, the topic is the need of the hour, as principal pointed it out, because, now we are moving towards the smart manufacturing. Herein, all the machine tools are connected to the internet. Most of the work done by the automated devices. One among them is a robotics. The robotics is playing a keen role not only in industry as well as outdoor navigations like underwater robotics, aerial robotics, ground vehicles, and many more, aerial vehicles, many more. Okay. You don't think, some of the first slide I have seen, robotics is only restricted to movable platforms. No. It is a fixed platforms also. Today's lecture, I'm covering industrial robots, wherein you have seen the fixed platforms, programmable robots for the smart manufacturing, and how they will occupy the key role in the production activity. Tomorrow, I will talk basically on the mobile robots, covering the wheeled mobile robots, aerial vehicles, underwater robotics. Okay, some of the key areas and amazing facts and what is the research is going around the world. Tomorrow we'll see on the mobile robots. Today I will focus mainly on the industrial robots, wherein the fixed platform robots are performing a variety of tasks in automation. I'm welcoming all the participants for all the sessions, at least you have to learn 10 words before winding up the each session. Please note all the participants, some 10 words what you learn from the each session, which is very important to progress in the FDP. Okay, thank you one and all. If you'll permit me, I'll share my slide now. You are not audible, I think.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words on robotics.
Yeah.
Sir, now I start your session, sir.
Okay. Now I'll share my slide. Okay. I'm requesting someone, Rajesh or Hema should be there until end, because, connectivity issues are there. If by mistake, if I will disconnected, you have to, every 10 minutes, I'm asking you whether I'm connected or not. At least any one participant will tell, okay, one. Second thing, okay. Second thing is, I'm not seeing the 85 participants are there. I'm so happy. But I'm not seeing none of the participants. I think you're not sharing the things, correct? In my thing, I'm not seeing the participants. Only it is showing the abbreviations like a TV, DJ, NB, RN, like this.
Professor, good afternoon. Can you see
Ah.
us now?
1 second. The
This is
participants.
Dr. Paul from
No, no.
Christ University.
Sir, namaste. Namaste. How are you, sir?
Namaste, sir. Namaste. Namaste.
I'm so
I'm
happy.
Professor
So
and
happy.
head
So
for
happy.
robotics.
That's why
from
I want to
Christ
interact
University,
with some of the
Bangalore.
participants, but I am not seeing the name of the participant. Extremely sorry for that. Okay. Any more
Okay,
is there?
okay.
Any more? Emma is there. Rajesh is there. Venkatramaya sir is there. Some more other participant from other place. Anyone is there? Can you please introduce?
We request the few participants to introduce themselves one by one.
Well, not one by all, madam. One or two. Okay. Just I want to know the name of the participant. Here I am not seeing actually.
Can I start,
Yeah.
Professor?
Yeah.
Can I
In the
start, sir?
initials.
Yeah.
Please, sir. Please, Pandian sir.
Very good
Namaste.
morning, all of you.
Namaste. Yeah.
Pandit sir.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah.
My name is Dr.
Namaste.
Paul, Professor and Head of Robotics and Mechatronics from
Very
the Christ deemed to be University, Bangalore.
Oh,
So I
very good.
am an academician for the last 21 years. So I'm
Excellent.
handling subjects in connection with robotics and mechatronics. So I'm very happy to see all of you, and I would like to congratulate the organizer, who has organized this fantastic FDP. And from the inaugural speech of the principal and vice principal, and even Professor Somashekar sir, right? So we have to, take part effectively. At least minimum 10 words in every
Yeah,
session.
yeah, exactly. Every my class will start like this, sir. I'm requesting all the student at the end of my talk, end of my lecture, at least student has to list by themselves 10 words. I am not telling 10
Yes,
lines,
yes,
10
yes.
words what they know from the talk.
10 words, yes, yes.
Yeah. That is
So,
a
and
takeaway.
I wholeheartedly appreciate the effort of the head of the department, right, and his team. So we are looking forward, sir, for the next 5 days. Yeah, thank you very much.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Welcome,
Yeah.
sir. Pandian sir, welcome. Welcome.
Yeah, who is there now? Okay,
Other
Hema, I'll share my slide now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hema, I'll stop sharing your slide and then I'll start sharing my slides.
Please, sir.
Whether
Please.
I'm audible and visible, you tell me. First thing. Second thing is, you stopped your sharing. I hope some of the research activities in IIT Madras under my guidance. I'll show that I'm requesting no need to record. Okay, already you are recorded the inaugural address and lecture first. Okay.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah. Now I'm sharing. Okay. Yeah. The entire screen.
Super.
Recording.
Recording stop.
Now my slides are visible to you all.
Yes, sir.